Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we will talk about modern kitchen design ideas. Dear viewers, the process of planning your kitchen interiors and walls more than just picking the color of the walls, cabinets or appliances you need every day. It's important to know how much space needs to be left between two kitchen counter rows or the correct height for a breakfast bar. It is also important to decide on the essential features and storage solution that need to be incorporated into a kitchen's interior design based on who is using it. This video will help you plan your kitchen interiors just the way an interior designers would determine the look and layout of a new kitchen. An ideal modular kitchen design has everything you need, where you need it and at easy reach. Think of how and where you use various items in your kitchen and put everything accordingly. The shape of your kitchen and the floor space plays an essential role in accomplishing this. And with the necessary information in a place, you plan your kitchen interior design with the help of a professional. Before you get started, to remember the right layout is a base to designing the perfect kitchen. It helps determine the kind of storage options you can add, additional design elements that can fit in, and the type of lighting that will play well with your kitchen. So let's begin with the most important step, designing a kitchen layout. The kitchen layout is the space of your kitchen. There are 6 basic types of kitchen layouts: G-shaped, L-shaped, straight, parallel, U-shaped, and island kitchen. This is created with the order of the kitchen countertop, essential appliances, and storage spaces. This feature creates the warped triangle or the space between the refrigerator, sink, and your stove. While designing your kitchen and choosing the cabinetry, the first thing you need to consider is the layout. Designing a kitchen is extremely subjective. A layout that might be ideal for one can be tragic for another, mainly because of the taste, working styles, and lifestyle that is different. Hence, choose a kitchen layout based on your everyday requirements and taste. In an L-shaped kitchen layout, there are 2 rows of cabinet walls that are perpendicular to one another, which form the shape of letter L. It is one of the most useful kitchen layouts for modern homes. It offers a smooth and efficient workspace. This layout lets the appliances and cabinetry be placed along right-angled walls with free space in the center, so you can move around while cooking. An L-shaped kitchen works only if your kitchen is square-shaped. If If you have a smaller or rectangular shaped kitchen, this layout can work well provided it is not too narrow. A U-shaped kitchen is an excellent choice for any type of kitchen. It refers to a layout where the counter runs along three sides of a kitchen, creating the shape of the alphabet U. It's versatile and suitable for every kitchen, be it big or small, as it can be planned to make sure that all the essential appliances are within a comfortable reach of each other. A U-shaped kitchen layout is also an excellent choice for large kitchens with enough width. If you live in a joint family where multiple cooks prepare meals at the same time, this kitchen layout will offer a great ideal of counter space. A parallel kitchen is a classic layout with a narrow space with two walls on either side with a passageway between them. A parallel kitchen is ideal for small-sized homes or a small family with a single person using the kitchen. This layout is designed with base and wall cabinets on either side. It is a simple layout that compromises the space for corner cabinets. A straight kitchen layout works well for the tiniest kitchen out there. It takes up only a single wall, leaving some space to walk around. It is designed with the basic wall and base cabinetry. Incorporating an island counter is an excellent way of adding a statement to your kitchen. It's incredibly versatile in its function. It can be designed with a hob and chimney, a sink, grill, breakfast counter, and a bar counter. Island counters are best suited for large kitchens with an open plan layout. Breakfast counters have become a popular choice with hip modern homeowners. They are perfect for small families and working couples who need quick meals before work and a lazy Sunday brunch.